Contact us for special internet pricing. Keeler BMW is proud to introduce this 2008 BMW 550i with an automatic transmission and 38,253 miles. This vehicle has a platinum gray metallic exterior, a black Dakota leather interior, and comes with some fantastic features such as a navigation system, iPod and USB adapter, xenon headlights, auto-dimming mirrors, universal garage door opener, tire pressure monitor, real-time traffic information, adaptive light control, park distance control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, moonroof, sport package, and a cold weather package. The Sport Package consists of active roll stabilization, 19-inch wheels with performance tires, Space Saver spare, shadow line trim, multi-contour seats, and sport suspension, while the Cold Weather Package includes a heated steering wheel, heated front seats, and retractable headlight washers. As with all of our vehicles, it is Carfax certified. For more information, please call us at 800-474-4197. Keeler Honda looks forward to assisting you with your vehicle purchase.
Call us today to schedule a test drive. We're conveniently located on Route 7 in Latham, New York, just west of the Circle.